In a bright and bustling coral reef lived a little orange fish named Finn. Finn wasn't the fastest swimmer or the flashiest in color, but everyone liked him because he was cheerful and curious. One morning, the reef was buzzing with excitement. The Great Shell Game was happening, a fun contest where sea creatures had to guess which shell a pearl was hidden under. The winner would receive a shiny coral crown and be called the star of the reef for a whole week. Finn really wanted to win. He practiced watching closely, following fast movements, and guessing correctly. When the big day arrived, the reef was packed. Colorful fish, squids, and even crabs gathered to watch. Finn played round after round, and to his surprise, he made it to the final match. But just before the last round started, Finn noticed something strange. As the shells were being moved, he saw a tiny crab hiding under one shell, carefully sliding the pearl to another. Finn's heart raced. No one else saw it. If he kept quiet, he could win. He looked at the crowd, then at the smiling judge, and then took a deep breath. "Excuse me," Finn said. "I don't think this is fair. Someone moved the pearl when no one was looking." The reef fell silent. The judge paused, then checked under the shells, and sure enough, the pearl was not where it should have been. The little crab came forward, embarrassed. "I'm sorry," he said. "I thought it would be funny." The judge smiled kindly at Finn. "Thank you, Finn. It takes courage to tell the truth, especially when it's hard." Finn didn't win the coral crown that day, but everyone clapped for him, calling him the honest heart of the reef. And from that day on, whenever a sea creature was unsure what to do, they'd think of Finn, the little fish who proved that honesty shines brighter than any prize.